Il-mara tal-Ministru Konrad Mizzi li qed titħallas is-somma ta' 13,000 euro fix-xahar mit-taxxi tal-poplu Malti u Awċi m'għandix numru tat-telefon fejn wieħed jista' jċemplilha u jkellimha. Dan ammettitu l-istess Sai Mizzi meta mistoqsija mill-ġurnalisti x'inhu l-indirizz u n-numru tat-telefon tal-post fejn qed taħdem f'Xangai.
Can you give us your official address in Shanghai, please?
Yes, the official, you mean the consulate?
Yes.
Yeah, the
And
general.
from where you're operating?
Yes, the consulate general is Hongqiaolu 777 in Shanghai.
And the telephone from where we can contact you?
The office is still being refurbished. The telephone is not connected yet.
Up to now.
Yeah, but it will be open soon. And I have, you can contact me through the Embassy of Beijing, and you can contact me through FAO Shanghai office, Foreign Affairs office. And also, if there is an emergency, there was one, and I always cooperate with the FAO Shanghai and the Embassy of Beijing, and doing my duty.
Il-mara tal-Ministru Konrad Mizzi issa ilha sentejn titħallas 13,000 euro fix-xahar li jfisser li sal-lum il-familja Mizzi minn barra dħul ta' Ministru daħlet 300,000 euro. Mistoqsija x'inhu l-irwol tagħha, il-mara ta' Konrad Mizzi qalet li hi taħdem ta' salesman.
Well, I get them together. My job is like a salesman for Malta. Yeah, to facilitate the two parties come together and have a nice negotiation. If there's a problem, I can get to solve it out.
Mistoqsija dwar il-paga li tieħu, Sai Mizzi ammettit li ntażlet mill-gvern u dan minkejja li hi il-mara tal-Ministru Konrad Mizzi u qalet li ma tieħux ċenteżmu aktar minn ħadd ieħor.
Ms. Liang, this is a memorandum of understanding, but can you explain to us which investment did you bring to Malta? We are paying you 13,000 a month.
First of all, I want to clarify. I am a government employee. Each scale has its own salary, right? I get not 1 penny more, not 1 penny less than the other government employee at my scale. I have no special treatment, so please don't misjudge me. Thank you.
Il-mara ta' Konrad Mizzi sabet il-ħin titkellem ukoll dwar il-proverbi Ċiniżi u appellat lil poplu Malti u Awċi biex jiġġudika fuq dak li tagħmel għalih.
I would rather you judge me when I deliver the result, like now, because there's a Chinese saying, it's not important what do you say, but it's important what do you do. Judge on my result. Don't judge on the people, he said what, that she said what, the other people said what. It's judge on me, what I do for you.